Okay, so we are on module 11, like I said, and we are treating adjectival phrases. مركب توصيفي. Now, we have looked at some expressions in English, some adjectival phrases in English, and we are now looking at how to form these phrases in Arabic. So we are looking at this. If you look at what we have here, we said bintun, bintun zakiya, bintun zakiya,
That
a smart or intelligent girl. Bintun, this bintun is a noun, and zakiya is adjective. Okay, so can you tell me what you notice between the Arabic formation and the English formation? What is that? Something notable that you see? Bintun zakiya, and in English it means an intelligent girl. An intelligent girl. So this is the adjective here, and this girl is a noun. So what do you notice between the English formation and the Arabic formation in terms of
in
the
the
arrangement?
English, adjective comes first.
Oh, yes. Yes. Barakallah fiqh. So in the English structure, adjective comes first. Yes. How about the Arabic form, the structure?
Before the adjective.
Yes. The Arabic formation, what happens there? What's happening there?
The the girl comes first before the adjective.
Oh, yes. The noun comes first before the adjective. That is a very important, thing to identify when you are dealing with adjectives in both languages, in both English and Arabic. Okay, now having done with that, so we said Taliban. Now we want to say two small students. Two small students. So two students is what? Talibani, right?
Yes.
So the adjective صغيران. Talibani صغيران. Talibani صغيران. So that tells you that the ones that we were talking about, they are singular nouns. ولد صغير, بيت جميل, بنت ذكية. All of these they are singular. Now we come to dual now. This is dual. Two. So we say طالبان صغيران. So it means your adjective will always be in, it's always been in concord, in agreement with your noun. If the noun is singular, your adjective is singular. If the noun is feminine, your adjective is feminine. If it is two, your adjective will be two, and so on and so forth, right? Now, طالبان جميع صغيران. We have beautiful teachers, feminine teachers. معلمات جميلات. Do you understand that? The plural of معلمة is معلمات. Do you agree? معلمات, yeah. معلمات جميلات. So that was,
Jamilata.
yes, معلمات جميلات. Now, that's because they are plural now. Here, we have Muslims, the righteous Muslims. Righteous Muslims. How do we form that? How's that formed in Arabic? Righteous Muslim, in this case, they are masculine. Righteous Muslim men.
We have the waw and nun. Muslimuna salihuna.
That's beautiful. So that's plural. What kind of plural is this one? We mentioned two types of plural. What kind of plural is this? Jamu what?
Salim.
Yeah, Jamu Salim. Barakallah fik. So it's a Jamu Salim, and that's how you have what and then had it. So we have Muslimuna Salihuna. Muslimuna Salihuna. Muslimuna Salihuna. So I think you understand a little bit of what the adjective Murakkab and Tawsifi is like. Now, let's move on into more details. So we mentioned that the above expressions is murakkab tawseefi, right? Adjectival phrases. Why do we say that? Because it's formed from two parts, namely the ism, al-ism, and the adjective, the noun and the adjective. So the first part, which is a noun, is called man'ut. It's called what?
منقوط.
Man'ut. Or what other name can we give it? Yeah, you call it man'ut or you say mawsuf. Please write these terminologies down. So we have man'ut, I mean the noun which is being qualified, by the adjective is called man'ut. It's called man'ut or you say mawsuf. Man'ut or what?
موصوف.
Man'ut or mawsuf. It's that because what it means, what man'ut or mawsuf means is something, the one that is being qualified. That's the meaning. The one that is being qualified. So that is what man'ut or mawsuf means. Now, in the adjective, the second part, which is the adjective, is called sifa. It's called nat. It's called what? Nat. Do you understand? It's called natun. Right? So it's called natun. Can you say that, please? Nat. Yes.
نعت.
Nat. Yes. We call it natun, or you say simply nat. And it is called sifa also. You call it what? Sifa. So,
صفة.
yeah, the adjective can be called sifa or can be called nat. Is that okay? Let's write down the terminologies. So, and the two will be sifa or mawsuf. Sifa or mawsuf. The adjective and the one that is receiving the adjective. Okay? Or we say nat wa man'ut. So I think you understand that now.
Yes.
Now let's analyze number one. ولد صغير. ولد صغير. So the first part, which is walad, is an ism, that is a noun, and is the one that is being qualified by the adjective. So we call it man'ut or mawsuf. Walad in this case is what? Man'ut or mawsuf. Is man'ut or mawsuf. All right? Now, the next word is, which is saghir. That saghir is a adjective, which is called nat or sifa. Natun or sifa. Do you understand that? Is that taking place?
أو صفة.
Yeah.
Mm.
So that is what you called the saghir. That saghir is a nat or you say is a sifa. Is that taking place?
Yes.
So in this case, we talked about the arrangement. We said it's important to know that Arabic arrangement of adjectival phrase murakkab tawseefi is the direct opposite of the English arrangement of the adjectival phrase. Right. So just like you saw earlier, the arrangements are opposite one another. So in English, the adjective comes first, while in Arabic, the adjective comes second. Okay, so that has been noted.
Yes.
So if you look at the examples also, waladun saghir and the rest of it, they were given in their nakira form, right? They were given in their what? In their nakira form. So waladun, that's a nakira. Saghirun. So we can actually make them be ma'rifa by introducing alif lam. By introducing what? Alif lam.
Alif lam.
Yes. So if you have, for example, we want to say the small boy, you say al-walad al-saghir. Al-walad al-saghir. Al-walad al-saghir. Or you say al-walad al-saghir. Al-walad al-saghir. Okay. Can you read the next one? The smart or intelligent girl. The smart girl.
Al-bintul dakiyatun.
Ah, yes. That's a val. Al-bintu dha. It's not that. It looks like you said that, right? So, al-bintu dhakiyatu, not dhakiyatun. You know, the moment you had al-fallam, you don't put tanween anymore. Al-bintu dhakiya. Al-bintu,
Dakiya.
al-bintu al-dhakiya. Al-bintu dhakiyatu. So that is the smart girl, the smart or the intelligent girl. All right. Now, can you read the next one? Al-baytu, the beautiful house.
Al-baytul jamil. Jamilun.
Yes, البيت الجميل. البيت الجميل. البيت الجميل or البيت جميل. البيت الجميل. So now المعلمات, the next one, الطالبان الصغيران. الطالبان الصغيران. الطالبان
At-talibani at-talibani as-saghirani.
yes, الطالبان الصغيران. Or you can put it together. الطالبان الصغيران. الطالبان الصغيران. Hmm? All right. Now, the next one. المعلمات الجميلة. المعلمات الجميلات. المعلمات. كيف لا؟ المعلمات الجميلات.
Al-muallimatu al-jamilatu.
Oh, yes. المعلمات الجميلات. Or you say, you put it together. You join it together by saying المعلمات الجميلات. المعلمات yeah,
Al-muallimatu al-jamilatu.
beautiful. جميلات. المسلمون الصالحون. The righteous Muslim. المسلمون. Yeah.
Al-muslimuna salihuna.
Oh yes, المسلمون الصالحون. المسلمون الصالحون. Mm. So now this is the way the adjective works. Now if you look at this, if you say المسلمون الصالحون, remember that if you do not, let's say this, let me show this. الولد الصغير, the small boy. Can you change this sentence? Can you change this phrase? الولد الصغير. Can you change it to can you change it to a sentence? Let me start with that. الولد الصغير.
Al-waladu saghirun dakiyun.
No. We want to say, okay, yes. No. We want to say the boy is small. The boy is small. Yeah, this sentence, this statement, الولد الصغير, is a phrase. It's not a sentence yet. But can you change it to a sentence to mean the boy is small? All right. Okay, I'm waiting. How do you change الولد الصغير to a sentence? جملة اسمية, anyways. You just have to alter, just change something or remove something there to make that phrase become a sentence immediately. الولد.
الولد
Yeah.
هو الصغير.
No, it's not. No, it's not correct like that. It's not, doesn't give us what we intended by saying the boy is, I mean, we want to say the boy is small as a sentence. Jumla ismiya. As a jumla ismiya. You just have to change something. Al-walad al-saghir, it will remain like that, but something will change in somewhere.
الولد صغير.
MashaAllah, that's beautiful. Yes, do you understand now? You just have to remove one of these alif lam. You remove one of the alif lam. That is for the adjective. You remove the alif lam from the adjective, and it will become khabar by saying al-waladu saghirun. Al-waladu saghirun. It has become a sentence immediately, just by altering just one thing from it. So saghirun here has become an khabar. It has become what?
الكبر.
Yeah,
خبر.
khabar. Yeah, it has become khabar. Al-waladu saghirun. So that's the way it is. So it's the same way you work with all of that, all of this. Al-bintu zakiyatun. You want to say the boy, the girl is intelligent, not the intelligent girl. So you say al-bintu zakiyatun. Al-bintu
ذكية.
zakiyatun. Do you understand how this thing works now? So the moment you make each of them become the same thing, it has become an adjective. If you strip off the alif lam here from al-walad and you strip it off of the saghir and you say waladun, yes, waladun what?
صغير.
Waladun saghirun. It becomes a small boy. Waladun saghirun, a small boy. Yeah, a small boy. The moment you had alif lam here, the meaning changes. It becomes al-walad saghir. Al-walad.
الولد صغير.
Do you understand the concept? Now, the moment you had alif
Yes.
and lam to it, and to the this one, and this one remains this way, becomes a sentence. Understand that?
Yes.
جملة اسمية to جملة to مركب توصيفي. Okay, so that's what we have there. Now, let's quickly attempt this exercise. Yeah, can you try and do this? Fast train.
Fast train. قطار سريع.
MashaAllah, that's beautiful. قطار سريع. قطار سريع. Okay, a slow car. A slow car.
سيارة بطيء. بطيء.
سيارة بطيئة. So, سيارة بطيئة. Can you repeat that? Because سيارة is a feminine. سيارة All right. So please try to correct it. That's سيارة بطيئة. A big book. Can you try that? A big book.
كتاب كبير.
كتاب كبير. ما شاء الله. A small city.
المدينة صغيرة.
Oh, yes. Aha, the small city. Al-Madinah. No. If you say Al-Madinah to Saghiratun, what you are saying is the city is small, right?
Oh, the small city.
Yeah. A small city, yeah. All right. The small city. How do you say that? I'll try it again. The small city. Yeah. Uh-huh. The small city is not, it's not the same thing as the city is small.
The small city.
Yeah, the small city. The small.
المدينة
Um,
المدينة المدينة صغيرة.
Al-Madinatu as-Saghira. That's where you put it. If you're going to pause on the first one, you have to say as-Saghira.
المدينة الصغيرة.
Yeah. So, Al-Madinatu as-Saghira, the small city. A wide place. A wide place.
مكان
Yeah.
وسيع. وسيع.
Yeah. Wasi'un. Yeah. A wide place. All right. So, a wide place. Makanun what? Makanun wasi'un. Makanun wasi'un. Makanun
واسع.
wasi'un. Yeah. So, let's look at example. قطار سريع. سيارة بطيئة. All right. قطار سريع. اسلوكا سيارة بطيئة. كتاب سريع. قدمت جسم مدينة. Now, كتاب كبير, right? المدينة الصغيرة. مكان واسع. مكان فسيح. You can say فسيح or واسع. You can say what? مكان فسيح.
فاسع.
Not okay, فسيح, sorry. Is it فسيح or فسيح? Yeah, فسيح. مكان فسيح. مكان what?
فاسع.
Mm-hmm. All right. So please take note of that. I think you've written them down, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. So since we only have one person in class, we don't want us to go very deep. We shall stop here. Is that okay?
Yes.
So on the next lesson, we'll look at the concord of Murakkab and Tawseefiy. Concord in relation to, so we say agreement between Sifa and Mawsuf. They must all agree. They must all agree. So we'll talk about that in the next lesson. So any questions so far on this?
No question.
All right. Barakallah fiik. Please try to go back the lessons and do some exercises and submit your assignment as well. Ask questions as well. It's very important. All right. So I'll see you again on Tuesday. All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.